There's 100-foot wave between you and me, a huge canyon under the sea. Mistake after mistake, I'll find my way, and time after time I'll go back to Nazareth. I was born like this, I had no choice. Searching for you in my pain, I found you again. I promise you, dear, I'll catch my train. You will sit by the lighthouse in Nazareth. So, boat sports, why not good friends? A fishing village embraces you from the start. Raven and the people that give you thoughts, a shower of emotions, my kind of town. Oh, yalalele, 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 yalalele. I leave the shore without fear, a dream guiding me through the fall. A seagull wings at me, so I look to the sky, and there you are. My sweet 100-foot wave. So I ride it, how many times I've dreamed it. Gliding, connected, focusing my life. Woo! Flying I'm on, with everything that surrounds me. You will see it by the lighthouse in Nazareth. Hey, in Nazareth. Hey, in Nazareth. Hey, and there you are by the lighthouse in Nazareth. In Nazareth.